Hey, what's up guys, this is Cpanel, and today I'm going to show you how you can get the best cheapest cloud hosting, and I'm also going to compare the MrCloudHosting hosting services with the GoDaddy hosting services. So in the one hand we have GoDaddy, which is one of the most popular hosting service provider, and in the other hand we have MrCloudHosting, which is one of the best cheapest hosting provider. Okay, now compare the plans of both the service provider. Now if you talk about the starter plan of both the website, if you go for the GoDaddy, in GoDaddy you have to pay 99 rupees for the first month, and from the next month you have to pay 199 rupees. And if you go for any other plan in GoDaddy, the renewal price is more than price of the first month. So now let's come to the starter plan. In the starter plan you will get one website with 30 GB of storage and unlimited bandwidth. But if you go for the MrCloudHosting, here you will get lots of benefit. MrCloudHosting will cost you 110 rupees per month. Now here you will get 30 GB of SSD storage, one free domain with .com or .in or .co.in extension, unlimited bandwidth, free website migration from other hosting provider, and free daily backup, free SSL certificate, unlimited database subdomains, and unlimited email accounts. But if you go for the GoDaddy, GoDaddy will not provide you any kind of SSL or daily backup or any kind of security thing. You have to buy all those things separately. But if you go for MrCloudHosting, you will get lots of benefit. Okay, now compare the deluxe plan of both the website. Now if you go for the GoDaddy, with deluxe plan, here you have to pay 339 rupees per month, and whenever you want to renew it, you have to pay 599 rupees. But if you go for the MrCloudHosting.com, here you just have to pay 220 rupees per month, and they will also provide you more number of services as compared to GoDaddy. Now here in GoDaddy you will get unlimited website, unlimited storage, and unlimited subdomains. Now maybe you will also get a free domain with this plan in GoDaddy. But if you go for the MrCloudHosting, here you will get the free domain, 5 website domains, unlimited bandwidth, free migration from other website, free daily backup, free SSL certificate, unlimited database, and unlimited subdomains, unlimited email accounts, and SSL access. Now let me add this starter plan in my cart and show you something. Now here you can see that in GoDaddy you have to buy this additional features separately. Now if you want to get additional security, if you want to get SSL certificate, if you want to get daily backup, you have to buy everything separately, and they will cost you a huge amount. Now let me uncheck this all the plans and just add starter cloud hosting plan in my cart. Now here you can see that starter 12-month plan cost me around 3000 rupees, which is actually 2817 rupees, and you have to pay this huge amount if you go for the GoDaddy. I'm not against GoDaddy, but you have to pay a huge amount if you go for the GoDaddy. Now on the other hand, if you go for the MrCloudHosting.com and choose starter plan or any other plan, you will get a free domain. Now here you just have to type your domain and add your domain in your cart, and you will get your domain. Then once you get your domain, just click on next and proceed. Now here you can see that you have your plan in your cart, and here you can configure your billing cycle in monthly or the annually or the biannually and triennially, and once you select that, just click on continue. Once you done that, just configure your domain and just click on continue. Now here you can see that the final cost is 1199 rupees, including domain and hosting, with some extra feature as SSL and daily backup. Now if you go for the GoDaddy without any SSL certificate, without any daily backup, or without any free domain, that will cost you around 3000 rupees. But if you go for the MrCloudHosting, it will cost you about 1200 rupees, and that's a huge difference between both the plan and both the website. I'm personally using MrCloudHosting.com, and their services are very great, and my experience is super awesome. Now let me show you Cpanel and dashboard of MrCloudHosting. Now after login, you will get this kind of screen where you can manage your services, domain, your tickets, and you can check your invoices. And you can click on this services tab here, and you can get your services listed. Now you can choose your service and just click on this Cpanel, and you will get your Cpanel option. Now let's look into their Cpanel. Here we will get all the features including file manager, web disk, disk users and FTP accounts. Here you will also get Git version control and Jet backup. Jet backup is a thing where you can make a daily backup of your website. You can take a snapshot of your website, and here under the database section, here you will get PHP MySQL and remote SQL services. Here you can get SEO and marketing tools, domain related services and email related services, where you can get a email account with your domain name. You will get metrics option here where you can analyze your visitors, your bandwidth, and you can basically analyze your website. Now next you have the security option here where you can get SSL access, IP blocker, SSL certificate, hotlink protection, two-factor authentication and CP guard, and leech protection, and some other basic security things. Next we have software. Here you will get software related to your website. Here you will get a Cloudflare, WordPress theme, software site installer, and next we have advanced. The good thing is that we are having this terminal option here, because there are some websites which will not provide you this terminal option, but in here we will have this terminal option with MrCloudHosting. Next we have preferences. Now we have this app installer where you will get a variety of application, and you can build your website with this application and make your website to the next level. So I'll put the link of this website in description, probably the first one. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get notification of all of future videos. And if you haven't followed me on my social media, then you can follow me on my social media from the link in the description. So this is the page, signing out. Meet you soon in the next video.